I am at my bed right now because I don't want to be over at my desk. But I'm watching a new anime called Sasaki to Miyano. It is a BL, and the first thing, I watched the first episode. I think all I gotta say about the first episode is that I think they might be gay. You know, especially Sasaki, that may be simping. I love Sasaki's voice, by the way. Top notch voice acting. Perfect. Really fits his character as I've seen so far. And we're gonna we're going to get on to the second episode. I'm on episode 2, and dear God, the absolute horror. The horror. The nightmare. Sasaki walks over to Miyano, takes off one of his headphones, puts it in. Miyano is listening to smut. The nightmare that must have flashed through that poor boy's brain. You ever in the situation where your friend or your parent, oh dear God, it's even worse. It's a parent. Takes out your headphone, realizes that you're listening to smut. Of course, I read my smut like a lady. But no, that is nightmare fuel. That is the worst possible thing that could happen. The worst possible thing that could happen. The worst. Poor boy. 2, Sasaki almost always calling Miyano cute or adorable, and like reaching out, just almost like touch his fingers or something is real good. It's real good. I already love him. When Miyano told Sasaki, I'm not looking for a real BL experience, it broke his little heart. My poor Sasaki. He's so sweet. And we're only 4 minutes and 43 seconds into the third episode. It's great.